Hey guys, Matt from Whiteline here. Today I'm going to show you through some new product that we've got for the VAG platform, the Mark 5, 6, 7 Golf. Something that we introduced in the Mark 5 Golf was our anti-lift kit with a positive caster increase. We've taken that one step further and we've looked at the Mark 6 and 7 that come with this factory pressed steel arm, heavily voided rubber bushings and quite a heavy piece of suspension componentry. We've now gone and developed an alloy arm. So we've got our custom polyurethane bushings in there. The rear bush comes with two different variations. Comes with an on-center bush and an off-center bush. Basically that gives us an extra caster gain with the off-center. Inbuilt in the arm is a positive caster increase and also a negative camber increase. Take that another step further, and something that we're really well known for is our roll center kits, particularly in Subarus, Mitsubishis and Toyota 86s. So we've taken that principle of correcting roll center and we've developed this ball joint for the Golf Mark 5, 6 and 7 platform. It's got a longer pin which changes the angle of the lower control arm in the car, and that gives us our roll center increase. It also comes with an offset plate for extra negative camber. Basically the gain that you'll get out of this is 2.5 degrees of positive caster and anywhere up to about a degree of negative camber depending on your existing setup. So if you're doing any kind of performance work, track work, rally sprint work, this is the kit for you.